aking ben kewang kaching thang lok atum nang ingthum do nang jipusi Karbeng long autonomous council of han kerap kachahang Lahore region khana rong along Musuri inkoy racer cap spasmo proxybon police atum kineplong Boka jana long kikimtan ITI ahem ke patang ke nang sot pusi rat kachening ri Kardam pini Adap berta long penili sami jilihan sepi nam bertang ton pen arjik tha Tamil Nadu Tiruvallur district Sethanjari DR Enterprise Company long kachongdat don karbi ari sotum sai jok je kilometer flikya pranar kepan aking pen wang derapi Karbeng long autonomous council pen nang ingthum do nang jipusi kerap kachahang Corona war penajok lockdown ki bia por hut kichu long leki junong leka chicha ko neajok komani atum ke aking pen lapen komani atum ke cycle pen mithang ahem chipang no bomlo Lason thak si Karbeng long pen angtan Tamil Nadu Tiruvallur district Sethanjari DR Enterprise Company long kachong dadon karbiari so tumta company sai kang hapchega jok penangana ke sung chichak nangdo Kichu long le kijun long le kang cirkalang it chichak on AC sai jok je pen kilometer flikya runner keban aking pen kebang bomhot Thirumaji sai pu Chennai road check post along alang litumaphan police atum khangdon check si kanghon ka jinso pen pasang toilo Alang litum labang so thai kidu iruyan bagdolo bonta non anta hem kache damjia phan abar sai ka vedera jok Karbeng long autonomous council kichari ke thik dingatum nangrap dan bek nang chi pusi alang litum kachoning re alam the berta nang pale Labang so company along Karbeng long pen dang choknar ke praplido bonta la song bong pen bang trainer ke patum ke wangjuilo Alang litum ke bang rapet ang bong kolonga sor bimol hanse phone number 600-351-5041 Lapen Okrengasor Santosh Ronghang phone number 600-322-6547 Hello Lason thak si Ari Sangho do an atumta phone number chipisi kahomri chia phanse alang litum kachoning ri padupon News Desk Report Karbeng Long Live NH36 atawar kahino parpega jok Dilai police station angkang miles crepli along Guwahati pendimapur an hormu ke pon boma truck chingkoi buplo NH36 atawar Jasemet Manja Dilai la pendimapur ke burpura da kahino parpega jok Guwahati pen Manipur an hormu ke pon boma truck chingkoi bup NH36 aputhak prabjin pen selam nang Tripura kedam tang anengkan KSA lapen raratum thorpaksi ningki pung chepaklang pen towar pialong amat okitur lapen soki asai chepaklang si kachesong paduponlo bonta bangso towar aputhak kapa media phan non pu anta arpu ke dotum thangnat ardi ki pipona belang lasi bangso towar prabjin pen selam ponasonte mesenji lapen pini ke phoson thak akapre katum phophe dajia potlo pusi cherok tok dila aradatum kachonengri padupon Pini kachingkoi bo batrak laki Guwahati pen aluton kep Manipur an kepon boma hotsi Dilai miles scriptly along chingkoi boplo Non amat police atum chipari deng donsi hormu horta raikom kipi donchi aphan siding pono Lapan kachingkoi bo batrak katewar abang phu anparta aria sangho tum areng hu keso avelang News Desk Report Karbeng Long Live Non malam so dihina mo aphan bertang ton parik sina
MS Punctual Stationery. Just step in once and feel the difference. MS Punctual Stationery at Rongkhelan, Dipu Manjar Road, near Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipu, Karbi Anglong. Where you'll get all things available like groceries, beverages, and personal care items. Here you will also get necessary household items like electrical items, gift items, mixer grinder, table fan, ceiling fan, rice cooker, and many more. Shop to the fullest and get 5% discount on stationery items and 10% discount on household items. Protect your pigs from African swine fever. African swine fever is a viral disease of both domestic and wild pigs which spreads quickly and kills most of the infected pigs. Humans are not affected by African swine fever. Sign and symptom: high fever, loss of appetite, depression, weakness, red, blotchy skin or skin lesions, vomiting, diarrhea, coughing or difficulty breathing, abortion, and sudden death. Prevention: no treatment and vaccine for African swine fever. Stop entry of visitors. Don't visit infected areas. Keep the pigs in enclosure. Separate the sick animals. Do not leave food in areas accessible to wild pigs. Dead animals should be buried scientifically. Use bleaching powder about 10 to 15 gram or liter for regular cleaning. Use potash for food bath and 0.01% solution, 1 gram or 10 liter for spray inside sty. Keep in constant touch with nearest veterinary doctor. For more information, contact District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Office, Karbi Anglong Depot at 8790-536892 or 700-280-3658.
Dihina mo phi puthot berta arjupan thoik lona. Khatkati police atum Lahorijan Khan arong along kirika khorok damhot Arjun Dev Barman arideng ben kaphere meme raki ahormu spasmo proxivon musuri inkoy reserke longdam lok. Khatkati police station angkang kedamtang aruni phai inkoy arnikang sampor phai serke palom Lahorijan Khan arong along police atum joy ben berta kelong ateng kirika khorok asai padodamsi Arjun Dev Barman aphan ka khorok donahot kaphere meme raki ahormu Spasmo proxivon musuri inkoy raser cap longdon koloklo. Kachingna chakabang phu Arjun Dev Barman kachithana tengki alang lihem Tripura sido. Lapen labangso raki aharmu Assam pen Nagaland State Dimapur arong sopian ki Punjab han puta chithan pon. Kinep check spasmo proxivon hitia long anam lake lak phodoji pusi khatkhati osi ahin pen pherangke atumaphan pachini. Kachingnang check abang phu aphan nonamat khatkati police station along lamhoi pabonsi hem kangsam bank cheklo lapan bangso puthak court along anta ponji puta pachini panthu bokajan pananan terang Karbi Anglong live. Borjan MSC constituency arlo kedamtang ningkan suri inkoy rakre hini aprang kuli arong along bokajan subdivision aradaphan panong PC nogawa saraphan ITI hem kikim japhan kuti atangka panong pen arpu pekponlo. Bokajan subdivision ar lokedo aradatumta kuli arong along ITI hem kikim jialam karjulong pen ki ongdong aradatumke aning chaparong rentino lapen tebok mochot Karbi ari so ejangatumke ITI long kachar didon awar sailong dun popusi ning chapathelo labangso ITI kikim japhan thikadar abang baby intia phanse angton ke langchari dun japhan arpu peklo lapen asaita ki klem pangcheng ponlo bonta nona bangki kupi ko sontong ki chok chelone ningkan narke plengtang de raphita kikim ke rang patang te detlo bangso puthak bokajan subdivision angkang kido penangan chirok tok aradatum lamtheka paklang bana tengki bokajan subdivision along ITI lapen prek jama sona mung Karbi riso ejangatum kachar de avar sa kabe penajok katikuk thetan binonglo athe lahai kachar di kinang sot avar sa ave pulote lokachar di dosita dona kasonsi mandekpo Joy ki pen woreng avar cycle long dundi jongjong pen beha ka choklem dun jita technical anathu ka bedera jok ki ong dung atum ki Assam pen angtan si chongda dam nang koklo lasikar benglong ke theki ding jasamet MP MLA CM EM lapen MAC atumanta matha parsik ponra chingbai ching saipen kuli arong along ki kim ham ITI ahem puthat ki kim ke rang patang pipon asonte mesenji puta chirok tok bokajan subdivision aratutum kachanengri padupon Bokajan pananan terang Karbi Anglong live. Pinya Adap berta ke lepon si kang toniklo dome thakmi korwang thu.